You want your food, don't you? And this is Zulu's food in her little puzzle. So what I've done is I've loaded up kibble inside each of these, which she's got to push away. Then she's got to turn this, and there's food in there. Then to get to this food, she's got to slide it over and it falls in there. Then she's got to slide it back to get into it again. So it's quite a challenging puzzle. We got this for her for Christmas and she loves it. She tears into it. So in just a moment, we're gonna watch her go at it. All right, here we go. She's waiting anxiously. You want this? You want this? Let's do this. Show the people what you got. Notice she has to figure out how to get the slide part open, the little flap, and then she gobbles away. And it's pretty amazing how quick she gets through this. It does take her a little bit of time, but what was that? Wow. You guys nearly killed my plant. What was that?